Hi, welcome to a Habitat project from a third grader, and we're going to make it larger so you can Hi, welcome to a Habitat project created by a third grader. We're going to make it big so that you can see it. And press the flag to go.
Hi, let me take you on a forest tour. This is a squirrel. It hibernates in the winter. It stalks nuts and trees and lives in them too. Over there is a fox. It lives in dens, sometimes in caves. It hibernates too. Up there is a bat. It hangs upside down to go to sleep. It lives in caves and uses echolocation to find its family. That was our forest tour. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.
All right. And then I did want to show you the code for the tour guide. Right here is the code that the student put together, and you can see how he made recordings, and then he also had them say different things. So there was caption, text, along with the sound. All right. Hope you enjoyed that forest tour and enjoyed seeing some student work with Scratch.